Hello friends, let's discuss diamagnetic anisotropic effect. Look at these examples. This particular proton of cyclohexene shows chemical shift at 5.57 and this aromatic proton having chemical shift 7.37. Both carbons are sp2 hybridized, but the chemical shift is somewhat different in these two examples. Now, when we observe this first compound or this red color hydrogen of this cyclohexene with the acetylylic proton, it is expected that this proton should show higher del value, higher chemical shift according to electronegativity effect. This carbon is sp2 hybridized, whereas this carbon is sp hybridized. In the third example, this methyl group of this cyclohexane show chemical shift at 1.68, whereas this methyl group shows chemical shift at 2.32. There is a variation between chemical shift of these methyl protons. So we cannot explain the chemical shift in this compound on the basis of electronegativity or on the basis of hybridization, because we can observe here unexpected lower value, unexpected higher value. So there must be something different phenomena which play key role in these cases, and that particular phenomena is called diamagnetic anisotropic effect. This diamagnetic anisotropy is the shielding and de-shielding of that particular proton, which depends upon the orientation molecule with respect to the applied field. And this anisotropy is the physical property of that particular compound. Let's see by taking one example. Benzene, anisotropic field in benzene. We know that in benzene, 3 pi bonds are there. And we also know that pi bonds are more polarizable than the sigma bonds. So, you can see here two types of fields are created. This is the applied magnetic field, which is the external field, and this induced magnetic field. It was induced by the particular compound. These polarizable electrons of pi bond creates ring current. Polarizable electrons create a ring current, and this results in the generation of induced magnetic field. So you can observe here two fields, induced magnetic field by that particular compound and applied magnetic field, which is the external one. Now look at the center of this molecule. In the center of the molecule, the applied magnetic field is opposed by induced magnetic field. And in this outside region, applied magnetic field is parallel to the induced magnetic field. It means that at the center of the benzene ring, the applied magnetic field is opposed by the induced magnetic field it means that particular protons which lies in that region experiences less magnetic field. It means that the protons at the middle portions are, are shielded. Now look at this region. This is the cone shaped region. So this plus region and this plus region means above the ring and below the ring or in the central part of the ring, this all region is the shielded region. This all region is the shielded region where proton experiences less magnetic field. When we consider the outer side where the benzene proton lies, applied field is parallel to the induced magnetic field. So this region is the de-shielded region. This region is the de-shielded region because that particular proton experiences effective magnetic field is in more. Now, so in this case, the protons which lies outside of this region means they lie in the paramagnetic region. That's why they are de-shielded. Let us take another example, anisotropic field in alkene and alkyne. You can also see here in case of alkene, again when we apply the external magnetic field due to the presence of pi bond, that particular alkene create its own induced magnetic field, and at the middle region the induced magnetic field is get opposed by the applied field, and whereas outside of that particular region where this alkene proton lies, the applied magnetic field reinforces induced magnetic field. Means the net magnetic field experienced by this proton is more. That's why these protons are de-shielded and these protons are de-shielded. But in case of acetylene, it orients in such a way that acetylenic proton appears in the middle region where induced magnetic field opposes the applied magnetic field. That's why these protons shows lower chemical shift or lower del value than the alkene protons. It orient parallel to the applied field. However, when one considers the molecule aligned perpendicular to the applied field, like alkene, the acetylenic proton is de-shielded as is so in the case of an alkene. The de-shielding component is however smaller when compared to the shielding, because the reason is that electrons are not as free to move in that direction. So this is the preferable direction for the acetylenic proton, so which lies parallel to the applied field. This is the schematic diagram of some compound containing the pi system. Benzene, alkene, aldehyde, acetylene, some alkyne, nitro compounds or some epoxides like this one. This particular plus sign indicates shielding area. So above the ring, below the ring or in the middle part of the ring is the shielded area. Outside of this cone, de-shielded area. Same with all other compounds. And that negative sign is the paramagnetic region, de-shielding areas. And whenever proton lies in the shielding area, which lowers the chemical shift. Remember this one. When proton lies in the shielded region, which lowers the chemical shift, and when proton lies outside this region, then chemical shift increases. Now look some more examples. This is the example of aniline. Aniline has two types of protons, inner 6 protons and outer 18 protons. And due to that pi bonds, there is generation of ring current, which results in the formation of induced magnetic field, and that induced magnetic field is get opposed to the applied field in the center of this ring. That's why these inner protons are shielded protons. And we know that shielded protons shows lower chemical shift. Inner proton shows in this case minus 1.8 ppm, and outer protons are de-shielded one, and it shows chemical shift value 8.9 ppm. So proton lies in between the ring are shielded one and others are de-shielded. One more important thing is here, these protons are a right side to the tetramethylselene peak. Means these inner protons are more shielded than TMS protons. Look at this example. This is the 10 aniline, and this CH2 group just lies above to that particular ring. This compound is aromatic. 10 pi electron system, we generate the ring current, induced magnetic field, and when we apply the external magnetic field, then it is observed that this CH2 shows peak at minus 0.5 ppm. Means these CH2 protons are highly shielded. Reason is again same, they lies above to that ring system, which is the shielded area, and all other aromatic protons are de-shielded one, which lies in the de-shielding area or in the paramagnetic region. These are some more examples. You can collect some more examples. This is the inner protons, lower del value. These are the outer protons, higher del value. Just observe these examples, and if you have any difficulty, then mail me or feel free